Hello everyone, today's topic is story writing. What is story writing? A story writing is a work of fiction or imagination that is usually written in easily understandable grammatical structure with a natural flow of speech. Lucidity is significant as far as story writing is concerned. Your short story must be short in length but not in content. The more one can express in fewer words, the more successful he or she will be in writing a story. Typically, short story writing has 5 key elements. Character. Fewer is better. A character is someone or something that takes part in actions depicted in the short story. It could be a living person, a dead person, a ghost, an imaginary character, a table, an angel, a tree. The list is limitless. The golden rule for selecting characters in story writing is fewer is better. If your story has very few characters, one protagonist, one other main character, and perhaps no supporting or side characters, that would be ideal, but you may also include a few minor characters. Time frame and place constitute the setting of story writing. Unit of time frame may vary from hours to days to weeks to years. Here also there is a golden rule in selecting time frame for story writing, and it is keep it shorter and have it single. Story writing that has setting of few hours may typically be clearer and more effective than with setting of few months or years. Remember Kate Chopin's The Story of an Hour? In the example that I'm going to share today, the missed call, the time frame is 5 years. There is flashback. So, being the master of the art, being the storyteller, you must feel free to weave the story according to your own choice. It is your own discretion and judgment to weave a story. There is a pattern, yes, but there is no harm in being experimental, in breaking the rules if needed. Next, we have the plot, which comprises events and characters, actions, the actions of the characters. The more creatively you describe and logically connect. What? Logically connect the events and actions, the stronger the plot would be, and the stronger the plot you create, the better interest would it generate among readers. There must be an intense conflict, and there must also be a theme. Fewer characters already discussed. Develop these characters for theme. In order to highlight the theme, develop your characters. Single and short time frame. Catchy first line. The beginning must be interesting so as to draw the readers into the narrative. Choose suitable point of view. The conflict must be intense. Only one conflict or limited conflicts must be there. The story must be suggestive. And keep another thing in mind. Being close to the title suggested by the question is essential in scoring well. Break rules if needed. I'm repeating this again. Break rules. Narrative must be in first, second, third person. Setting of the story must be vivid and interesting. Time, location, context, atmosphere must be described to create imagery so that the readers are able to paint a picture in their minds while reading your story. You may use meaningful dialogues or you may not use meaningful dialogues. As far as characterization is concerned, identify 2 or 3 main characters and a few side characters if needed. You may just use a single protagonist if you wish to do so. The plot must be interesting, but you must keep it short. Brevity is the key. The plot can include what happens, storyline, action, flashback, climax, conflict. Create conflict and tension, and then resolve the conflict. There must be opposition between characters and their internal and external conditions. But you must also include a balance between opposing forces of the conflict. Use elements like mystery, surprise, or empathy in your story. Turning point of the story is crucial. It engages the readers. It keeps the readers hooked onto the story as long as the story continues till the end. And regarding the end of a story, your short story may be open-ended, open ending, involving the reader's participation, or you may have a resolved ending, that is clear-cut outcome. And the story must have a closing image at the end. ISC Semester 2 Specimen Question Paper English Language. Write an original story entitled The Missed Call, full marks 20, word limit 350 to 400 words. First, I will read out the story and then I will explain the intricacies of writing short story with respect to this example. The Missed Call, written by Ma'am Momita. The vibration of the phone, almost lying dead on the table, jolted Shrija out of her trance. The walls of her chamber, covered with photographs of Shrija's achievements and awards for being the most successful entrepreneur of the year, was a reminder of the success she had achieved over a period of 5 years to all. She overcame numerous struggles to reach here, but today's struggle to stop her from going back to her past seemed insurmountable. Shrija's mind had raced to the day 5 years back when she found herself lonely, contemplating if she must answer the call or not. Her phone rang for quite a number of times, but she disconnected it. Finally, for the 5th time, when she thought of taking the call, her mother entered the room, so she could not take the call. Seeing her mother, Shrija became confused, tensed, excused herself for a while. On returning, she saw her mother still there. Her face seemed to have a strange expression of calmness and resolution. In a commanding voice, she informed that they were leaving the town in 2 days. Forever. This shocked Shrija, yet she did not argue. They left home for Varanasi, where Shrija enrolled in the Benares Hindu University. From then on, there has been no looking back. Shrija undoubtedly had to work hard, but it paid off. On the same day, Anya, Shrija's closest friend too, had received a call from the same number, which she answered. That call was the first step into an enticing but dangerous antisocial life that engulfed Anya gradually. Today, after 5 years, Shrija's phone came to life with the call of Anya. She was returning from a correction home. She knew only Shrija could help her. Shrija would often think of the life gone astray when she too had thought of getting into that vicious circle and the call she missed. She always wanted to know why her mother took such a bold step back then. Secretly, her mother smiled, remembering the moment when she had seen the missed call. She checked the number with the one provided by her brother, who was an inspector. She knew Shrija was in the wrong path and took the decision to leave the town instantaneously for Shrija's sake. She often thanked the missed call that helped her to give Shrija a brighter tomorrow. Well, the word limit of this story is 350 to 400 words, and luckily, Ma'am Momita has finished the story within that word limit. It's 400 words, but I will not ask you to count each and every word of the story at the examination center. It is not possible, so practice beforehand and see how many pages you need in order to finish the story without exceeding the word limit. As far as my handwriting is concerned, I required 1.5 pages. The title of the story is The Missed Call, and you will see that this story is revolving around the missed call. So the more you relate your story to the title suggested by the question, the better it will be for you to score good marks. Now, the first paragraph. The vibration of the phone, almost lying dead on the table, jolted Shrija out of her trance. A catchy first line, a phone call directly associated with the title, The Missed Call. And the protagonist is introduced in the very first line, Shrija. So, Shrija was in a trance-like state. Key pieces of information. The second line, the setting, establishing the setting. The walls of her chamber. Shrija is in her chamber. Covered with photographs of Shrija's achievements and awards for being the most successful entrepreneur of the year. A key piece of information regarding the protagonist. Shrija is a famous entrepreneur and she has been awarded for being the most successful entrepreneur of the year. She overcame numerous struggles to reach here. This is her life story in a nutshell. But today's struggle to stop her from going back to her past seemed insurmountable. So there is a shift between the past and the present, and there is an internal conflict going on in the mind of the protagonist, Shrija. So the first paragraph itself sets the tone of the story. The character, the protagonist, is immediately introduced without beating around the bush, and we get a lot of information regarding her. Shrija's mind, internal conflict introduced, had raced to the day 5 years back. So after the setting of the story, we have the time frame 5 years back, when she found herself lonely contemplating if she must answer the call or not. So the plot revolving around a phone call. Her phone rang for quite a number of times, but she disconnected it. Finally, for the 5th time, when she thought of taking the call, her mother entered the room. Introduction of another main character. So far as the characterization is concerned, we have till now 2 characters, Shrija and her mother. So she could not take the call. So there is a conflict going on in the mind of Shrija as to whether she will receive the call or not. Seeing her mother, Shrija became confused, tensed, excused herself for a while. On returning, she saw her mother still there. Her face seemed to have a strange expression of calmness and resolution. In a commanding voice, mother's commanding voice, she informed that they were leaving the town in 2 days forever. The turning point of the story, the twist, the climax of the story. So, the writer, the storyteller, has introduced surprise, the element of surprise, and the readers will immediately feel curious as to know why. So surprise as well as a little bit of mystery, suspense. This shocked Shrija, yet she did not argue. So the protagonist, even the protagonist, was not aware of this decision. They left home for Varanasi, a change of setting, where Shrija enrolled in the Benares Hindu University. From then on, there has been no looking back. Today, Shrija is a successful entrepreneur. Now, what has this to do with the phone call, and what is the relationship of this decision with the missed call? On the same day, Anya, Srija's closest friend, too had received a call. Another character is introduced and she is Anya, Srija's closest friend. Each of these characters has a pivotal role to play in the story. Anya too received a call and Shrija too had received a call. Both of them react differently. What will be the impact is the crux of the story. That call was the first step into an enticing but dangerous anti-social life. Anya received the call and she fell into a trap that engulfed Anya gradually. Today, so there is again a time shift. After 5 years, Srija's phone came to life with the call of Anya. She was returning from a correction home. She knew only Srija could help her. Srija would often think of the life gone astray when she too had thought of getting into that vicious circle, and the call she missed. The title, The Missed Call. See how important the missed call was in the lives of the characters. Anya, Shrija, and what role did mother play? She always wanted to know why her mother took such a bold step, the resolution of the conflict. Now we are proceeding towards the ending of the story. Secretly, her mother smiled, so we are getting an answer. The moment when she had seen the missed call, again the reference to the missed call. She checked the number with the one provided by her brother, who was an inspector. She knew Shrija was in the wrong path and took the decision to leave the town instantaneously for Srija's sake. So we get all our answers. The puzzle, the mystery is solved. She often thanked the missed call. See how many times the words missed call have been used. A direct relation to the title of the question that helped her to give Shrija a brighter tomorrow. The closing image. The story ends with a clear-cut outcome. A successful Shrija. Give Shrija a brighter tomorrow. So this is the story and this is how you write the story. What is the theme? The road not taken is the theme of the story. And how do the characters develop that theme? We have all seen that. Had Shrija taken the call, what would have happened to her? This is the point of interest in the story. Please write in the comment section whether you liked the story or not. You may give us titles and we will develop those into full-fledged stories.